is Monsanto? Well, for the farmers I work with every day, I guess I am. But the better question is, why Monsanto? Because the farmers who grow our food are up against some significant challenges. Things like unpredictable weather, soil erosion, pests, and plant diseases.
That's why there are more than 20,000 of us around the world, not to mention our numerous partners, working to provide farmers with sustainable agriculture solutions.
In 1960, each American farmer fed about 25 people. Today, that number is closer to 155. Science plays an important role in a farmer's ability to grow the food we need.
So we love working with farmers. But you might be asking how this affects the rest of us. With a global population expected to reach 9.6 billion by 2050, we should all be thinking about where our food comes from and how it's grown.
Helping farmers have better harvests is key to making balanced meals more accessible to families around the world. This includes fresh fruits and vegetables, as well as the crops that play a part in dairy, eggs, and meat.
It's not going to be easy, and we don't have all the answers. But we're all in this together.
Our researchers and breeders develop products that help farmers have better harvests while using resources more efficiently.
Imagine a soybean plant that can protect itself from devastating pests, which reduces the need for insecticides and helps preserve natural resources.
We're also using traditional plant breeding methods to improve harvests. Just ask cucumber farmers. When a plant disease led to significant losses, our vegetable team used crossbreeding to develop a cucumber resistant to the disease.
But seeds are only the beginning. Did you know the average teaspoon of soil contains billions of microbes? Soil's alive, and its health is vital to sustainable farming.
We offer farmers microbial seed treatments derived from organisms found in nature. Just like probiotics help people stay healthy, microbes help plants get a good start, secure nutrients, and even fend off pests and disease.
We live in a world of data. Data we can use to make better decisions throughout our day. It's the same for farmers. From planting to harvest, they're collecting information about their fields and farming methods.
By combining their knowledge with our data science models, we can provide them with customized insights about their farming operation. From satellite imagery of their fields to predictions about how much fertilizer is in the soil.
Working to provide farmers with sustainable agriculture solutions. That's who we are. That's why we're Monsanto.